Elon Musk's Tesla Cybertruck was announced as a revolutionary vehicle that would redefine what a pickup truck could be. With its sharp stainless steel body, futuristic design, and bold promises, the Cybertruck quickly became one of the most talked about vehicles in the world. When production finally started at Tesla's Giga Texas factory, expectations were extremely high. However, as real-world production began, several design and manufacturing issues started to surface, raising serious questions for potential buyers. At Giga Texas, building the Cybertruck has proven far more difficult than Tesla initially suggested. The truck's stainless steel exoskeleton, while visually striking, is extremely hard to manufacture with consistent precision. Reports from early production runs showed uneven panel gaps, alignment issues with doors, and trim pieces that did not fit as cleanly as expected. These are not minor cosmetic complaints, they are signs that Tesla is still struggling to mass-produce a vehicle with such an unconventional design. As deliveries increased, real owners began sharing their experiences online. Some buyers reported exterior panels loosening, trim parts detaching, and unexpected wear on the body. In some cases, Tesla had to pause deliveries to inspect vehicles before handing them over to customers. This only fueled concerns that quality control at Giga Texas was still catching up to the complexity of the Cybertruck. One of the most serious moments for the Cybertruck came when safety regulators forced Tesla to issue a large recall. The recall involved exterior components that could come loose while driving, posing a potential road hazard. While Tesla addressed the issue, the fact that nearly all early Cybertrucks were affected raised alarms. For a vehicle marketed as tough, durable, and nearly indestructible, such recalls damaged buyer confidence. Production challenges also played a role behind the scenes. There were reports of temporary slowdowns at Giga Texas, with workers sent home or production lines adjusted to fix ongoing problems. These kinds of disruptions are expensive and signal that Tesla is still refining its manufacturing process. Unlike traditional trucks that have been perfected over decades, the Cybertruck is essentially a bold experiment being built at scale for the first time. Another concern for buyers is price versus expectations. The Cybertruck's final price turned out to be significantly higher than what Tesla originally teased years ago. When customers pay premium prices, they expect premium quality. Any visible flaws, recalls, or unfinished details feel far more serious when the vehicle costs as much as a luxury car. That said, calling the Cybertruck a complete failure would be misleading. Tesla has a history of launching products early and improving them over time. Software updates, design tweaks, and manufacturing refinements are ongoing. Some owners report being satisfied with performance, acceleration, and technology, even if the build quality isn't perfect yet. So is the claim that the Cybertruck faces new design problems at Giga Texas true? Yes, the design and manufacturing challenges are real and documented. But the idea that every buyer should panic is exaggerated. The Cybertruck is not a scam or a dead project, it is a radical vehicle going through painful early-stage production realities. For potential buyers, the smartest approach is caution, not fear. Early adopters are effectively test pilots for Tesla's most extreme design yet. Waiting for later production batches could mean better quality, fewer recalls, and a more refined product. The Cybertruck represents Tesla's ambition at its highest level and also its risks. In the end, the Cybertruck story is a reminder that innovation is rarely smooth. Giga Texas is building something the auto industry has never seen before, and mistakes are part of that process. Whether the Cybertruck becomes a long-term success or a costly experiment will depend on how fast Tesla can turn these early design problems into lasting improvements.